Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a search bar in Blocksy that displays only products. Alright, so we're here on our Blocksy web shop, and we have a search bar set up here. It's not the prettiest, excuses for that, but this is just for educational purposes. Let's go ahead and let's say we're going to look for a power bank. And you can see we have our power bank here and another one here, but we also have some blog posts or pages. So how do we make it so that we can only find products here? Let's go ahead and click on customize and see what we can mess around with in the customizer settings. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on header, since that's where we'll find our search box at, and we can customize it however we want. But what we're concerned with in this video is, well, our search through criteria. So if we only wanted products to show up, we can untick posts and pages. And we can also have a taxonomy filter for certain categories, but let's not worry about that. Let's just make sure that only products is ticked. Click on publish. Wait for the changes to save. Double check here. Power bank shows us this. Let's reload our site. If we searched power bank, we would get only products. So there's how you make a search bar search for products only on WordPress Blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.